What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. I seen we got a few new subs that hit since the last video. So welcome to the channel. Today, got another supremacy beater box. As always, 565 bucks. If you've been with the channel for a while, you know I love this price range. For me, it always hits well. And I just get good luck with them. So I'm hoping that continues. 565 bucks. We're gonna jump right in and try to score something nice. The last box, man, appreciate all you guys who watched that video. That box did good. Still got a few things from it, so if you want to go back and check it out, you can. We in here, man. No shoes without boxes, but I got a box that's pretty much ate up. This beater box looked like UPS like tried to take a look at it and see what was inside of it before they delivered it. It looked like it was halfway open when I got it. This box is beat, as you can see. Size 9, Jordan 17s. Haven't had any Jordan 17s in a while. We got the copper 17s, size 9. Not DS, but very, very clean. Pull out this other one. Very clean. Check out the bottom. Boom. 17s. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie, man. I like 17s a little bit. Just a little bit. I got the black ones in my collection, the mid-top joints with the snake skin on the top. I like those. I don't know. I know a lot of y'all hate them, but I don't know. Size 12. Tell from the sticker what we got here. We got some breads, 4s. Been getting these a lot. I guess that the new recent release of them got people selling their old pair. So we got a size 12 here. First thing I check for on the 4s is that midsole. As you can see there, it's no paint chipping or cracking or anything like that. So that's pretty good. Let me check the other one. And boom, the other one does have some crackling in the paint. And it looks like somebody tried to fill it in with a regular ink pen. Don't do that. Still got a lot of stars on the bottom. But yeah, we got paint chipping right here, so that sucks. That's unfortunate, but it is what it is, man. With 4s, it's just gonna happen. So size 12 on those. I got 2 boxes down here that's kind of whack. I don't know, man. LeBron's, got some LeBron 11s. Tell from the box, size 8.5. I want to say this is South Beach or something like that. LeBron 11s. These are used. Need a good cleaning, but still have plenty of grip and traction and all that on the bottom. Somebody to hoop in. Show y'all the other one. I want to say these are called South Beaches or Miami's or something like that. I wasn't a fan of this model. I never wore this model at all, so the 11s. Size 8.5. And I'm assuming this one right here is gonna be an 8.5 too. Yep. And we got another LeBron 11. I've seen a lot of people rocking this colorway. I don't know what it's called, but they're in good shape too. Size 8.5 also on these. I'm just not a big fan of this LeBron model, but some people like to hoop in them, some people like to rock them, so that's what's up. The LeBron 16s was a pretty good strong comeback for LeBron. I like those. Next up, we got a Jordan 3 size 12. Jordan 3 size 12. See if that'll focus in on that. Pure Monies. We got some beaters. We got a lot of sock lint on the inside of them. This is not the latest release. This is from 06. So these right here are super old. And before the re-release came out, this was one of, a lot of people wanted this shoe to retro so bad, and then when it dropped, it just kind of went straight to the outlets. Size 12 on those. Beaters, they'll still be up for sale somewhere. I need to start putting some of these back on eBay. Another size 12, another Jordan 3. Hopefully in better shape. Let me see. Sport Blue 3s. Way better condition. Check out those. Check out the other one. No midsole paint chipping on either one. Try to get them situated here. Very dope. Pretty clean. Size 12. Still have the Jumpman on the inside. Bottoms pretty clean. Boom. I don't know anyone looking for this shoe in particular, but I'm sure they'll still in pretty good shape. So we got one more left in this box. 565 bucks. Not gonna lie, so far I haven't been impressed. But we got one more, and boom, you guys already probably know what it is. Oh, we got a decent size too. We got 8.5 of the V2s. See what we got. I ain't look at the colorway. All right, we got Belugas 2.0s. Not dead stock, of course, but I'm pretty sure these will bring back a little more than half the price of the box. I could be wrong. Seems like these Yeezys market shifts up and down like crazy. These are not bad, man. I've actually worn Yeezys before and they're pretty comfortable. If anything, that's what I would wear it for. But I mean, they're not bad. I don't kind of getting watered down with some of the new stuff that he's got coming out. I seen on Instagram all the new things that they plan on dropping. It's just seem like it's too much, saturating the market itself. But that's just my opinion. Size 8.5 on those 2.0s. Should bring me back at least half the price of this box. Other than that, I don't think I got no instant keepers like I did in that last video, man. So everything should be up for sale. If you see anything you like, man, just DM me or email me, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or you can DM me at the Instagram at TGOTSOLE, or Twitter, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. So hit me up if you see anything in this video. I still have a few from last video, so you guys can go back and check that out if you want to. And I think that about does it. I'm gonna end up making a video where I'm gonna do like the leftovers of things I have from previous beater boxes, and just try to give like some cool little deals on it or something, just to kind of move some of this stuff. Shoot a video like that. I think that'd be dope. That'll help me out and help y'all out too. So with that being said, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's beater box video. Make sure you hit that like, follow, sub, whatever, all that stuff everybody say at the end of their videos. I'm out. Peace.